Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to share with you a small item that I picked up at Louis Vuitton. I had ordered it some time ago. It took what it seems forever to get here, and I want to go ahead and share it with you. Before we get right into this bag and see what it is, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Isabel. Welcome. I hope that if you enjoy the video, you'll go ahead and consider clicking on the subscribe button down below and hitting the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Well, let's get into this. Give me a big bag, but the item is not that big. So inside the box, we have the proof of purchase, which I want to point out, it has changed. It used to be in a very long envelope, and now it just comes in a small envelope. And inside, instead of having that kind of big Louis Vuitton paper, now it looks like a regular receipt. And I'll just go ahead and show you. At the top, it says Louis Vuitton, and then it has the name and address of where that store is located. So that's pretty interesting. I think in a way it's good. I think it was kind of wasteful to have those long receipts. Okay, anyway, forget about that. Let's get into this. So it came in this cute little box with its ribbon, and it's the drawer box. So we'll go ahead and open it up. And inside we have the dust bag, and we've got the booklet, and as you can see, it is from the men's collection. And then also they have the fabric card. So enough of that. Let's get into what's in the small little pouch. Right, here we go. And inside is this adorable name tag. It's called the name tag. That's all it's called on the Louis Vuitton website. I call it the dog name tag, and it is from the fall winter 2018-2019 men's fashion show, and this is from the last show that Kim Jones did while he was still at Louis Vuitton. He now currently is with Dior. So I really wanted to get my hands on this. I love dogs, plus I have some other dog Louis Vuitton charms. Anyhow, so this is what it looks like from the front, and this is what it looks like from the back. It is made in gray monogram titanium canvas. It is also trimmed with cowhide leather, and as you can see, the majority part of the body is the gray titanium canvas, and then it's got the neon yellow on the ears, the tail, 1 foot, and this part of the body. Just get it, that's what it looks like. The tag has these 2 straps here that are the ones that you're going to use to attach them to a bag or to a luggage or wherever you want to attach it. The back side is, again, the gray titanium canvas. And here is where you can put, if you want, you can put a business card, you can put your personal information, whatever you want. And since it is a name tag, it opens here, and this is where you can slide in your business card if you would like. This particular one is made in Spain, and these were produced in both France and in Spain. And just, I know in the past people have asked me, how do you tie this? And pretty much what I do is just loop it around whatever I'm going to use, and then do this. And pretty much this is what it looks like. I really wanted this. I saw this a few months ago, and I saw it alongside a bag that Kim Jones also produced, and I'll try and insert a picture up here or up here somewhere so you can see it. I really wanted that bag, but it was not produced, so I really wanted to get the dog. Now, so this is not really a bag charm, it is a name tag, but I wanted to show you in comparison. This is the other dog bag charm from the men's collection, and it's the exact dog. Of course, the difference is that this is a bag charm, and it has the clips and everything up here so that you can go ahead and clip it on to your purse or to wherever you want to put it, or your keys. And as you can see, this gray titanium canvas one is a little bit smaller. And let's see, I also have this one, which is from the men's collection, and this one is smaller than the brand new one that I got. This one, of course, also being a key holder or bag charm, which this one really is not. So that's pretty much it. Let me just show you a little. This is the booklet that it came with, and it talks a little bit about the material. And I'll briefly just tell you a little bit about what it says. It says the monogram titanium echoes the sheen and shade of the metal used for the iconic Louis Vuitton rolling luggage Horizon Titan monogram. Inspired from the Space Conquest, the line is breakthrough and exclusive. The material is a monogram coated canvas, satin finished through a special graining technique, being extremely resistant to rain and barely bothered by surface scratches. Monogram titanium articles are impeccably suited to contemporary lifestyles and travels. So a little bit about this titanium material. And then this was just the, like I said, the fabric card, which basically coated leather, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. So, okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to share. I am excited. I love my dogs, as you all know, and I love the Louis Vuitton dogs, so I'm excited I was able to get my hands on this one. I'll go ahead and link it down below. It is showing call for availability on the website. However, you never know. I pre-ordered months ago and I finally just got it. So that's it. Just wanted to share this small purchase with you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.